Now we will take a look at the different tools that are used for designing logos. But before we get into that, let me introduce you to the concept of vector and raster graphics. In digital design, there are two types of images: vector and raster. Raster image is made up of tiny squares called pixels. On the other hand, vector images are made up of points and lines to create curves and paths. So you must be wondering, what's the purpose of having these two types of images? And why is it important in logo design? Well, raster images get pixelated and show up. Stake is type of edges, which gives it a blurry and bad luck when to scale or zoom the image. Here I do Nike logos. You'll notice the image on the right side looks pixelated. Image on the left side looks perfect. The right one is raster image, and the left one is the vector image. Since vectors are not made up of pixels, they don't get pixelated when resize. In fact, vector images can be scaled up infinitely without having any clarity or pixelation issues. This is why you should always work with vector format when designing logos. There are some special tools for making vector graphics. Adobe Illustrator, Affinity Designer, and Corel Draw are the most popular ones. The software that I'll be using throughout this course is Adobe Illustrator. It's a powerful vector graphics tool from Adobe. It's by far the most widely used graphic design software around the world. It has all the tools for creating path, curves, shapes, patterns, and everything else that you can imagine. Also, it has now become the industry standard for doing any kind of graphic design work, including logo design. So you must need this software for learning graphic design.